Keeping your home spotless and germ-free has never been easier. In today's video, we are diving into the best multi-purpose steam mops 2025. Top 5 versatile tools for home sanitization. These powerful steam cleaners are not just for floors. They tackle grime, stains, and bacteria on a variety of surfaces using nothing but water. Whether you are looking to deep clean your kitchen, freshen up your carpets, or sanitize your bathroom, these steam mops have you covered. All product links are in the description below. Now, let's get started with the video. At number 5, the Kghkgh All-in-One Steam Mop steps up as a powerful and highly versatile cleaning solution designed for a seamless sanitizing experience across a variety of floor types. With a sleek design and lightweight build, this model from Kghkgh combines deep cleaning performance with user-friendly functionality. Its high-pressure steam system and dual rotating pads deliver up to 3 times better stuck-on stain removal compared to traditional steam mops. Whether you are dealing with light messes or deep-seated grime, the Kghkgh All-in-One adapts with 3 customizable steam settings: light for quick tasks, normal for daily maintenance, and deep for more intensive cleaning. A fingertip-controlled steam blaster unleashes a powerful burst of targeted steam to help loosen and lift stubborn stains. The rotating pads perform over 150 scrubs per minute, doing the hard work for you while gliding smoothly across surfaces. Additional features such as intuitive body and fingertip controls allow you to switch between steam modes with ease, while built-in LED headlights illuminate hidden dirt, ensuring nothing is left behind. Designed to be safe for all sealed hard floor types, including hardwood, marble, tile, stone, laminate, and vinyl, this steam mop is an ideal tool for keeping your home fresh and hygienic. The package includes mop pads and a filling flask, offering everything you need to get started right away. At number 4, the Bissell Heavy-Duty 3-in-1 Steam Mop stands out as a powerhouse for both indoor and outdoor cleaning tasks. Designed to tackle dirt, grime, grease, mold, and stains with ease, this versatile steam cleaner harnesses the strength of high-temperature steam to sanitize and refresh a variety of surfaces without the use of harsh chemicals. Capable of eliminating up to 99.9% of germs and bacteria, it is ideal for maintaining a clean and safe environment throughout your home, garage, or workspace. This steam mop offers true multifunctionality with its 3-in-1 design, easily converting from an upright steam mop into an extended reach cleaner or a handheld steamer for maximum flexibility. The model includes a generous 26 attachments, enabling targeted cleaning across a wide range of applications, from sealed hard floors to auto interiors, boats, patios, windows, and even outdoor furniture. Its variable steam control and steam on-demand trigger allow you to adjust the intensity of the steam to match the cleaning job, whether you are handling delicate surfaces or tackling stubborn grime. The 13-inch cleaning path and swivel head provide smooth maneuverability, helping you cover more ground with less effort. Although it does not include automatic cord rewind, the steam mop features a convenient wall mount for easy storage. Durable in construction and engineered for heavy-duty use, the Bissell Heavy-Duty 3-in-1 Steam Mop is an essential tool for deep cleaning across your entire property. Next on our list is the GorFanty Multi-Purpose Steam Mop, a feature-rich cleaning solution designed for those who need flexibility, efficiency, and deep sanitization throughout their home. This all-in-one steam cleaner is suitable for a wide range of surfaces including hardwood, tile, laminate, sealed stone, marble, and even carpets, making it ideal for whole home cleaning. It includes 2 highly absorbent, reusable microfiber mop pads and a carpet glider for removing tough stains from floors and carpets with ease. A major highlight of this model is its built-in detachable handheld steam cleaner that comes equipped with 10 functional accessories such as an angle nozzle, brass brush, flat brush, ironing brush, and window cleaning tool. These tools allow you to target everything from kitchen grime to shower tracks, toilet lid bolts, toys, and even garments, ensuring every hard-to-reach spot is addressed. The GorFanty Steam Mop delivers high-temperature cleaning that uses only water, eliminating 99.9% of stubborn stains and germs without harsh chemicals, making it safe for families with kids and pets. It heats up in just 20 seconds and offers 3 adjustable steam modes, letting you customize the output to match your needs. Daily cleanups. deeper sanitation, or heavy-duty messes. The mop features a flexible head with 120-degree side-to-side and 90-degree front-to-back movement, plus adjustable height, making it easy to navigate under furniture and around tight corners. With a 23-foot power cord, convenient storage hook, and a self-standing design, the GorFanty Multi-Purpose Steam Mop combines power and versatility in a lightweight, easy-to-use package. Taking the second spot is the Kghkgh Multi-Purpose Steam Mop, a comprehensive all-in-one cleaning solution designed for serious sanitizing across your home. This steam mop transforms into a handheld cleaner and comes packed with 11 versatile accessories including an angle nozzle, brass and round brushes, window cleaning tools, a carpet glider, and more, making it ideal for floors, furniture, clothing, glass, grout lines, and even those tricky spots like toilet bolts and shower tracks. It delivers high-temperature steam at 260 degrees Fahrenheit, eliminating up to 99.9% of germs and stubborn stains without any chemicals. Simply fill it with water for a powerful, eco-friendly clean, especially important in households with kids and pets. The large 15.2-ounce removable water tank heats up in just 20 seconds and provides up to 45 minutes of continuous steam, while the adjustable steam control allows you to tailor the output to match the cleaning task. Whether you are dealing with sealed hardwood, tile, marble, laminate, or carpets, the Kghkgh mop handles it with ease, and it includes 2 reusable microfiber pads plus a carpet glider for deep carpet refreshes. Its flexible cleaning head rotates 120 degrees sideways and 90 degrees vertically, effortlessly reaching under furniture and into corners. The adjustable handle height adds comfort for users of different statures without requiring them to bend. With a 23-foot power cord for extended reach and a built-in hook for neat storage, this sleek and durable steam mop is designed to offer uninterrupted, efficient cleaning throughout your home. At number 1, the Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop offers a powerful yet gentle way to clean and sanitize your home using only the natural power of steam, no harsh chemicals needed. Ideal for sealed hard floors like tile, hardwood, and linoleum, this steam mop eliminates up to 99.9% of germs and bacteria, making it a safe and eco-friendly option for families with children and pets. It is designed to tackle even the most stubborn messes with its flip-down easy scrubber, which makes short work of sticky and dried-on grime. Thanks to its Smart Set digital steam control, you can select from high, medium, or low steam levels depending on your cleaning needs, giving you precise control at your fingertips. The mop is equipped with swivel steering and a 23-foot power cord, offering excellent maneuverability and reach for cleaning around furniture and into tight corners. It heats up and is ready to use in just 30 seconds, making quick cleanups a breeze. Included with the PowerFresh Steam Mop are a soft microfiber pad for everyday cleaning, a scrubby pad for tougher messes, a carpet glider for light carpet refreshes, and 2 Spring Breeze fragrance discs that leave your home smelling fresh while you clean. With a 12-inch cleaning path, built-in carry handle, and a 1,500-watt power rating, the Bissell PowerFresh delivers efficient, hassle-free performance that transforms your cleaning routine. Whether you need daily upkeep or a deeper sanitization, this mop makes it easy to maintain spotless, hygienic floors throughout your home.